Meaning of dissident.
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 Dissident. The term dissident refers to a person who opposes the policies or actions of their government, political party, or other authority. Dissidents often hold beliefs that are at odds with mainstream or official positions and may engage in protest, demonstrations, or other forms of activism to promote their views. They may also face persecution, imprisonment, or other forms of repression for their opposition. Despite these risks, many dissidents see themselves as defenders of human rights and democracy and believe that their actions are necessary to bring about positive change in their societies.